Hi, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing my brows. I want my brows to be darker. The product that I use is from Amazon. I will link it down below if you guys are interested in it. This is the product. I love the color. I got dark brown. I used this brush. I actually bought it because I wanted a whole new brush. So I bought a brush with a spoolie on the end. And then this is the product once I have mixed it. And I literally just applied it as if I was doing my brows with pomade. I love pomade, especially Anastasia. When I first got my brows done, okay, so my brows are microbladed. And when I first got them done, my cousin so I was like her model to get her certification, and she did my brow one way and then the instructor did my brow another way. So it's been like this because I didn't really care about what it looked like as far as the differences, but I just figured let me try henna. I wanted them darker anyways because over time they do fade, so I wanted them darker. And I wanted to, as you'll see, the one that my cousin did is more like all the way to the front, like more on like a box side, which I was a fan of. I'm a fan of both sides of the eyebrows. It's kind of like I wear my eyebrows this way, then I also wear them this way, but I wanted them to be more equal. So on the other side of my brow, it goes more down towards the inside rather than I wanted to give it more of the same structured look on the other side. So I figured let me try the tanner, let me see if it will do what I'm wanting it to do. So on the package it says you'll outline your brow, let it sit for a little bit, and then add some more. I'm guessing because you're wanting what went on first to penetrate first, and then do another layer which gives it a darker look. Or probably it means a longer lasting look. I'm honestly not really sure. I'm just going off of what I figured it would do for me and what it did for me. And then on the other side, I put it on the part that I wanted it on, just to see if it would come out looking like the other one. So to be honest, this is an honest review. I feel that the brows did look almost the same. They was pretty similar. But with it being that my brows were microbladed, of course, the part where my cousin did it at the top, towards the front, it's going to be more darker. And it's going to stay on, like you're going to be able to see it better because it was microbladed on, rather than with the henna. It's there, but it's very, like, it's a fade, which I'm still a fan of. I will continue to do this. I will keep updating you guys. Continue watching, and I will talk to y'all in the next video.
Ryan Little.
Maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. No. Till I go numb. Days until my legs go numb. Till I go numb. Baby, it's 4:30 and my whole world is. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day.
Roll smooth with a beat. 30 hertz straight up. Roll smooth with a beat. 30 hertz straight up. Roll smooth with a beat. 30 hertz straight up.
So I just wanted to jump back in and let y'all see the difference. Like, if you can go back to the beginning of my video, it's going to be in my thumbnail, but you can go back to the beginning of my video and see that they are more on the ashier side of black rather than this is like a black. So I did go back in twice, but I just went over the parts that looks like they needed, you know, a little extra. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope that this was helpful. I hope you go and buy this product or even a product similar and try what I did.